happy birthday. That is all I can say.
The Chairman,
River State Joint Public Service Negotiating Council,
River State Branch, Comrade Emecheta Chukwu, JP, the leadership and the entire membership of the council celebrate a rare gem, a true champion of the people, and a servant leader with a heart of gold. His Excellency, Sir Dr. Siminalayi Fubara, GSSRS, Executive Governor of River State, on the joyous occasion of his 51st birthday. Your Excellency, you are a leader who occupies the heart of the people. Through bold and decisive actions, you ended years of lack of promotion of workers, strengthened healthcare and education by recruiting skilled professionals, transforming the state secretariat into a modern workplace, paid 100,000 naira Christmas bonuses for 3 years, and implemented the 85,000 naira minimum wage for workers. You are governor who governs with conscience. On this special milestone, the
River State Joint Public Service Negotiating Council
prays for God's guidance, strength, and continued success under your leadership. Happy 51st birthday, Your Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, a governor for the workers, a leader for the people, a champion for River State. And this is signed by Comrade Emecheta Chukwu.
Happy birthday.